Scott is an icon in the rugby world. His playing career started with Llanelli Juniors, and from there he went on to achieve great success. At just 18 years old, he played his first game for the Scarlets and went on to play 146 games, scoring 69 tries. Scott played for Wales 52 times, scoring 12 tries, represented the Barbarians and went on 2 British Lions tours. Following his playing career, Scott went on to coach the under-21 and Llanelli RFC squads. He remains a familiar figure on and off the field through his media, presenting and acting work.
Ganwyd Derek yn Llanelli ac mae'n arwr y myd rygbi Cymru a Llewod Prydain ac Iwerddon. Roedd Derek yn gapten ar dîm Llanelli gan chwarae 369 o weithiau dros y clwb. Ym 1972, chwaraeodd ei gêm ryngwladol cyntaf dros Gymru gan fynd yn ei mlaen i ennill 23 cap dros ei wlad. Aeth ar 2 taith gyda'r Llewod a Derek oedd yr unig chwaraewr yn y carfan nad oedd wedi derbyn cap gan ei wlad pan aeth ar y daith y Llewod i Seland Newydd yn 1971. Y dyddiau hyn mae Derek i'w weld ym Mharc y Scarlets yn cefnogi ei dîm fel llywydd y clwb.